Hi guys, so kakain tayo ng street foods ngayon. Una, fishball. Hawa-lawa. Yum. Last one. Pangatlo. Fishball na may halong cheese.
5 steps for the easiest low bun. Secure your hair into a low ponytail, then grab onto the base with your left hand, index on top, thumb underneath. Wrap your ponytail counterclockwise around your index finger and base, then slide your thumb next to your index, reach through, and pull your ends all the way through to form a tight knot. Bring your ends down and wrap them counterclockwise underneath your knot to hide them, and hold your bun tight as you pin all the way around.
Sipay niya. Apat, fries. Titoy.
Kapi nga, yan.
Ako.
Yan, yang kasirin.
Ako, wag na. Babay.
Wah,
Ano po ba kaya? Kauna ako rin.
kumagar, panlamugang ka.
Bubanad.
Buwangan, kasi makar. Paano na ito, ano, agamba.
Wala ba niya yan?
Agamba maga.
Unang araw kanina pa.
Kaya may ano mo.